from KIT and I'm currently at the RIG Educational Cluster booth. And what we do here is we try to introduce robotics to young children and students already at an early age. And what we display here are different robotics we use to introduce children. So for example, a maze follower, or here a Lego Mindstorms robot, which are used at students. This robot is programmed by a student and it follows a line. It was a project we did with them. And over here we have the Now, which we also use to make student activities where the students can have first interactions with robots and program them. A very simple programming interface, which you can see here. And the good thing about this is that the students don't have to learn a complicated programming language, but they can start very easy and just enjoy having fun with robots.